What's up out there, everybody? Have you ever wondered, how can I make a button in Unity 3D? Of course you have, so I'm here for you. Now, to get into this, let's make our button. The first easiest way is going to be simply right-click the sample scene in your brand new project, go under Game Object, then go under UI, then you have the option of Button and Button Text Mesh Pro. Now these are the very most easiest ways. You could click either one. I highly recommend using Text Mesh Pro because it looks 10 times better. Now, another way we could have did this is by simply clicking Sample Scene and also at the top Game Object and selecting UI, then go under Button. Now here is a button for you to see, and that will also make a canvas for your UI elements. Now, the most manual way to go about this would be simply going under Sample Scene, right-clicking, going under Game Object, then you can go under, what is this? Create an empty. Let's go, before we create that empty, let's go ahead and make a canvas because we're gonna definitely need that. Okay, so now that we have a canvas, we would want to right-click that canvas and go simply to an image or a raw image. That's an image there, and this would be a regular image, basically the same thing, except one has mesh, which you can lay upon materials. Okay. Now these are our buttons. You could have used either one. I'm just gonna delete one. Okay, next in the manual process, we have this. We select this image here from our hierarchy, and in the inspector screen, we hit this add component. Next, we will type in button. You click that button there. Now you have your button and your options to lay inside something a part of this button. To complete your button, you have to put something in. So let's just take it as I will put this canvas inside of my button, and to turn it off, I will go to Game Object, Set Active, and I will turn this canvas off with this button of a click. Okay, now as we are upon our button, okay, let's make that turn off. So now as you see there, we have our button turned off. Everything's pretty much a go, and if you like, you can go back. You just want to simply turn that off. Okay, as you can see, this button has now turned this canvas off, but you'd probably want something for it to turn it back on. Okay, now if this video has helped you in any kind of way, I didn't want to waste no time, fams. Shout out to you out there getting your development dreams together. Let's get it. iDerek4Real with the tips. If this has helped you, smash that like, hit that subscribe. Let's get rolling. Development is only great as you try to imply yourself. Peace.